Okay, we're gonna do Used to Be a Cop by Drive-By Truckers. Great song, great lyrics that tells the story. Played with a kind of funky type of groove. So they're not playing full chords, they're not even playing power chords, they're just that's mainly what the rhythm guitarist is playing, is just the single A note. Stuff like that. Just stuff like that. And the bass is playing the root notes of the chords, which are not played but they're implied. Those chords would be F minor 7, E, F, D minor 7. So the bass is just playing those notes. You can play it mostly with open strings. So that's kind of going on in the background. There's a guitar playing slide. They're just kind of playing single note lines up and down the D minor scale. I'm probably mostly on the G and D strings. Stuff like that with the slide. The main rhythm player has his finger just fixed on the 10th fret here. So besides the section where they're playing the A note, there's another section that goes out of that goes into this little D minor riff. He's playing the D minor at the 10th fret, finger barred over strings 1, 2, 3, 4. You can play this a number of different ways. I see him sliding his finger around a little bit, but you don't have to play it that way. That's what I call the D minor 7 section. So after you play that D minor 7, then you can either hit the D or the A, or both. Or you can hit both, like I said. Now there's another section in the song where they're playing C, G, B flat, F, C, G, B flat, F. And I used to play football. Wasn't big enough for college, so I took the entrance exam. Alright, and when they come out of that section, they go to the D minor 7 riff. And then back to the A part. So that is, if I was like the only guitar, I might be playing power chords. Maybe something like that. The only way I'd be playing the actual chords on the song would be as if I was doing like a different kind of arrangement. Or maybe if I was playing solo with no drums and bass, I might play the chords. But otherwise, it's just kind of a funk jam. I hear I'm playing a lot of single notes in the recording. Just, up and down the scale like I was showing you with the slide guitar. So just kind of like shadow notes or ghost notes just in the background, more as a rhythm kind of thing. And that this song is really a rhythm and blues kind of song, a la, anybody who plays funk music like James Brown or Parliament Funkadelic. It's kind of got a rock feel, but that's the direction of this song. So thanks to you for watching. Thanks for the Drive-By Truckers for making a cool song with great lyrics. And don't forget to subscribe.